Hello everyone! Here we will tell you how to make delicious red bananas. Before getting into how to make it, we will introduce ourselves first.
My name is Igustin Peliputi, number absent 7, and my friend.
My name is Igustin Gauri, number absent 8, and my friend.
My name is Igustia Yuninda Atasari, number absent 11, and my friends.
My name is Madhukanta Antiku, number absent 28, dan I my friends. My name is Putu Rosmi Devirawan, number absent 34.
Do you know the history of red bananas? In the early Middle Age of 16th century, the Portuguese who came of the Malay area liked to eat breakfast in the form of bananas that had been peeled and fried in the flour.
Fresh bananas are bananas that have been peeled and then covered with a thick batter made from flour, eggs, a little bit salt, and also sugar before being frenched until brown. His breakfast dish once then adopted by taste Malays and eventually become one of the some unpopular dishes. Muksrofe har.
Now you know the history of fried bananas. Now let's make it together!
The material and tools you need to make it are
Bananas, rice flour, sugar and salt, sweetened condensed milk and cooking oil, a glass of water, wheat flour, tongs, knife, spoon, skimmer, and a bowl.
First, cut some bananas into pieces. Put 7 tablespoons of wheat flour and 3 tablespoons of rice flour into a bowl. Put sugar and salt to taste in a bowl. Then, pour enough water into the bowl.
And stir well. After the dough will like this, dip the bananas into the bowl.
pour the oil into a pan. The bananas into the pan. In oil until cooked and golden yellow in color.
Put it one by one into plate and add condensed milk as a topping.
Yummy!
How to make delicious fried bananas before getting out.
My name is Igustin Putri. My name is In the early middle age of 16th century, the Portuguese who came of the Malay area like to eat breakfast. That's right. Like to eat breakfast in the form of bananas that had been peeled and fried and fried on the floor.
Ini orang tua guys. Oke, ngerti. Oke, ngerti. Hah? Bahaya. Check it out.
Check it out. Check it out.
Nah. Senyum. Senyum.
Nah.
Hai guys, sekarang kita mau membuat pisang crispy. Kita sedang gabung guys, mencari view. Jadi guys, ini kita membuat tepungnya tertunda banget. Bisa balik guys, bisa balik guys. Bahasa Inggris guys. Halo guys, sekarang kita sedang membuat video bahasa Bali. Jadi itu sangat tertunda karena ada yang menangis guys. Karena ada yang nangis Cirebon.